I would always remember Cheryl as a person na wherever I go, she will be my office mate.
Her smile and her laughter.
Miss ko talaga si Cheryl dahil ever since nag-start ako sa Great Plains, siya na talaga yung kasama ko. Mga jokes niya na minsan corny.
Cheryl was my first. Ako yung unang partner niya.
Na-remember Cheryl yung ano niya, yung tinutok niya kami tiya. Dahil sa kanya, nabuo kami.
OC. Hindi. Tsaka, actually yun, feeling ko doon ako nagmana sa pagiging OC. Yan. Tsaka, first team lead ko yan, si Cheryl.
Ako, ang naalala ko lagi ay ating mga carpool days. And the first and the only time na sumabay kami sa car niyo ni Papa Dan.
Ako naman, nung sa GP palagi mo akong pinapagalitan. So, immortalize ka na sa utak ko. Every time pipikit ako, makikita ko ikaw nagagalit sa akin.
Mahilig sa Korean television.
Sinagdita niya sa wedding at ako punta na lang.
Si Cheryl, aside from being my team leader for 2 years, she's like my ate. Although I'm older than her, but to others she's a mama, that's why she's called Mama Cheryl. But she's a mama ate.
Goldilocks hair, Mama Shave.
Oh yeah, same. Here din eh.
Okay, Mama siya yung email na tutorial development please start.
Yung na-remember ko kay Cheryl is yung interview sa yun talaga hindi yung alis. Yung interview niya sa akin, akala ko hindi niya ako kukunin. So yun lang maalala.
Payat!
Ay, no! Hindi. Mabait. Mabait.
Siya ang PM na na-regular ko.
Bukod doon, I would remember Cheryl na siya yung kind ng project manager with graceful conversation. Very calm, very cool. And kahit ng issue pa yan or problem pa yan, hindi lang one-sided yung nakikita niya about it. She has this way of weighing the situation and making it a win-win para sa both parties.
Dahil
Si Cheryl, she's always happy. A mom and a child at the same time. Loka-loka. The girl with Julia Roberts' hair.
Pinaka sobrang mariremember is yung friendship, yung companionship, saka yung kakaibang trust and loyalty na naramdaman ko from her.
I would always remember you as someone very approachable and very funny at the same time in person. And I've always seen you joking around and building relationship with all the team members.
I remember Papa Dan was.
Diba? Okay, the mama is the girl with the best English spoken language.
The thing I would wish for Cheryl is basically share with her a quote na I think is very apt for her and Dan. So it's not where you're from, but it's where you're going. It's not what you drive, but it's what drives you. It's not what's on you, but it's exactly what's in you. And it's not what you think, but it's what you really know.
the best in everything she does.
Sana kami ginahaliban and hindi mo kami kakalimutan na kaya send ka ng picture. Ingat kayo doon.
Siyempre, more money, kids, a happy family, a happy life.
My wish is sana ay masaya ang inyong stay in Australia. I'm very happy for you. And the happiness and the more success, syempre. And ang wish na lahat ay magkaroon na kayo ng baby.
Wish ko magka-baby na, tumaba, and have a happy and successful life there in Australia.
Yeah, tapos yung wish ko sa'yo, Cheryl, is sana maging masaya kayo dyan sa Australia, makakaya naman mo work, and maging strong pa yung relationship ninyo, pati yung career mo mag-take off sa Australia. Kaya nyo naman yun eh, magaling naman kayo.
magka-baby na kayo ng maraming Australianong citizens. Maraming little Sherrys and little Dans.
Sana tumaba ka ng konti, kahit konti lang. Kumain ka ng madami.
I won't forget you, so please don't forget me.
My wish for Cheryl is to survive the outback and when she's out there in the desert, to have lots of babies with Dan and enjoy and have the time of her life.
I wish you all the happiness and all that is good na makakita mo sa Australia. And I wish kids for you and Dan.
Ang wish ko para kay Cheryl ay sana magkaanak na siya.
She's
Okay,
not
wish.
this far and I'm sure na malayo-layo ang mararating niya.
Wish ko for siya, syempre, obviously, gusto mo magka-baby na sila ni Dan. Tapos, more success and happiness and sana bumalik-balik siya dito.
My wish for you is that you find joy in whatever you are looking for in wherever you are going to right now, and may you finally have the family that you are also wishing for dun sa pupuntahan mo. God bless ang sa pupuntahan.
I wish Dan many little Cheryls.
Good to know. To make lots of Koya babies over there in Australia. Sana magka-baby na kayo.
Oo nga.
Dapat makabuo.
Oo nga.
About
Medyo
time.
matagal na rin kailangan makabuo na.
Kailangan first project sa Australia.
First
Oo.
project.
Yan ang lang. Pero
Wish
ganda
ko,
niya.
hindi ka mag-carrot picking sa Australia.
Ay, Diyos ko!
I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Traidor sila. Traidor sila. Traidor sila. Mga ingrato.
Sa piling at ulan lamang ang saksi. Buhos na ulan aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan. Tulad ng pag-agos mo, di mapipigil ang puso kong nagliliyag. Pag-ibig ko'y umaapaw, damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa. Tuwing umuulan at kapiling ka, minsan pa ulan bumuhos ka, wag nang tumigil pa.